If you're new to truck dispatching and looking to acquire the required knowledge and expertise, you're in the right place. This is a fantastic profession that allows thousands of specialists from all over the world to work remotely in the United States logistics market. Your main tasks will be helping trucking companies book freight and generate income from transportation services using all the tools and techniques provided in this course. A dispatcher is compensated generously, typically with a percentage of the income generated from each truck, making it a lucrative profession that can grow into a profitable business. Whether you're looking for a high-paying remote job or looking to launch your own business, truck dispatching opens doors for practically anybody with a knowledge of English, a simple laptop, and an internet connection. This complete truck dispatcher training is designed to get you from zero all the way to a professional. You will not just learn the ins and outs of being a dispatcher. You will have modules and lessons on effective dispatcher job search and customer acquisition, preparing you for a career in a trucking company as well as for starting your own truck dispatching business. So, ready to start learning? Then let's get to it.